Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you the simple trick to have access to all Google dashboard services such as your Gmail, your Google Drive, your Google Assistant, your calendar, your Google Gemini, AI, etc. in just one place. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to our Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply click on my Chrome browser right here. Then having opened up my Chrome browser, next thing I'm going to do is to come to the address bar right here. So what we want to do is to simply type in Google dashboard. Then we hit on enter. And the next thing we want to do is to click on the first result right here, my account.google. So click on that. So if you have not logged in before, you'll be asked to log in with your Google username and password. Once you log in with your Google username and password, it takes you right here. So you can simply scroll down and see all your data. So as at the time of making this video, these are my YouTube data in Google services. And if I scroll down right here, the next to it here is my Google Drive. The next one right here is my Gmail data. And the next one right here is my Play Store data, which I have about 215 apps from there. My calendar and my Google Photo, which is about 1000 plus. Now you can modify your data right here. You can do some settings right here. You can delete some of the settings right here. You can also even download your data right here. Everything depends on what exactly you want to do. So it's that simple as that. Like this particular one right here, I can simply come to the settings right here on my YouTube section and come to settings, and it take me to my YouTube studio section where I can simply modify my account detail right here. You can go on and check on some of your Google dashboard activities. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.